Good day to our research advisor and to all panelists. I am Lourdes Romero de la Cruz and I would like to greet you all a pleasant day. So now we are going to present to you our proposed study entitled The Relationship Between Time Management and Student Performance in Physical Education in an E-Learning Environment. Together with my group mates, Miss Bautista, Miss Cruz, Mr. Fabiala, Miss Francisco, Mr. Manalaysay, Miss Mopon, Mr. Silva, and Miss Berana.
Ganda. Parang ano.
For the background of the study, according to Savino 2016, time management is an ability to handle your time wisely, to be more efficient in what activities you are doing. It emphasizes the importance of time. Handling time wisely can make the person more productive and become more efficient in everything that they are doing. It shows managing time is necessary. Every time we value or manage time, we can do many things. Be wise on using your time properly.
Crystal Payne stated, if you want to be more productive, you need to become master of minutes. How this procedure be necessary and effective with students? In this environment of e-learning, approach requires skills to organize, plan out, then manage time in the middle of activities. Learn to manage time will be a great tool in their education. It is a decisive factor in anticipating potential achievement.
Importance of time management for the students. Effective time management allows students to manage more in less time, focusing attention on necessary things by avoiding distractions. Various school-related activities such as attending classes, completing assignments, projects have played a great role.
At year 2019, Ribeiro stated that as a student, to achieve your goal, you need to have strong emotions because achieving your goal in life are inevitable discouragement. So, how can you succeed if you do not have courage?
Adam Blair 2019 stated that time management prioritizes activity, prioritize in order to achieve the goal of be able to study and be able to work. It is necessary to pay attention to all the tasks. If you know how to prioritize things, means you know how to manage time. And also, you know your wants or goals you are eager to achieve.
Framework research basically on the pickle jar theory, indicating the idea that time is bounded or restricted, limited by space or volume. Time management is the process to handle together with activity. Research pointing the theory with those students who are having difficulty prioritizing their time. Covey 2013 wrote, pickle jar theory say about time is creating your own time to focus on important things before it becomes hassle or urgent. Stephen said that you have a real capability if you know how to carry out time to do activities quickly and easy.
Conceptual framework. This graph shows the flow of the conceptual framework through analyzing problems that encountered in situation that relates in time management on students' performance. We determine the three variables in the study. The first one is the academic success in an e-learning environment. The second one is the time management skills of students. The last is the significant relationship between time management and student performance. These three variables run to understanding the nature of time management in academic settings.
And to our research design, we use online survey to gather data because this is convenient to gather all the data. And our number one question, what is the performance of student in physical education? And we use a statistical test is descriptive analysis. And our number two question, how do students manage their time in the distance learning environment? We also use this descriptive analysis. And last, what is the relationship between time management and student performance? We use descriptive analysis and Pearson R.
Descriptive correlational. The researchers applied convenient sampling, which is meant to be an unbiased representation of the group. It is considered as a fair way to select a sample from a larger population. It is the most widely used probability sampling method, probably because it is easy to implement and easy to analyze.
The participants of this study are randomly selected students from grade 10, 83 males, 131 females.
At year 2019, Ribeiro stated that as a student, to achieve your goal, you need to have strong emotions because achieving your goal in life are inevitable discouragement. So, how can you succeed if you do not have courage?
The three variables of this concept are encountered time management, deal with your normal situation in significant relationship between time management and students' performance. In question number 9, the respondents proved that they can be productive by themselves and get pressured by doing a group project. The respondent says that time management and skill are very reliable in online class. They should be more flexible and ready to adjust anytime. In question 15, one of the major problems in online class is connection and mostly communication. It gives the students respondents a pressure and stress. The table above shows that majority of the respondents can follow the deadline because it's not enough time to finish their tasks and activities. In question number 5, many respondents respond that they are stressed that cause anxiety and depression. There is a situation that time management is very important to the respondents because they need to meet the deadline. These students make effort, time, and dedication to meet the deadline to accomplish the task. Because every task that the students accomplish can make them breathe better. This pandemic has a big impact to our lives, especially in academic, because these students feel pressure, stress, and having anxiety because they don't know how to manage their time. That's why these students must be productive, know how to priority and manage their time properly.
The table above shows that the majority of the respondents in time management in managing stress with a mean value of 3.22 resulting the mean value of 3.06. Question number 2, the respondents having a hard time handling their activities in e-learning class. The respondents prove that they can be productive by themselves and get pressured by doing a project by group. The respondents say that the time management and skills are very reliable in online class. They should be more flexible and ready to adjust anytime. In question number 15, one of the major problems in online class is the connection and mostly communication. It gives the students, respondents, a pressure and stress.
In this table, this study utilized the use of R-value, which is to analyze if the student's time management is affected with the e-learning setup in prioritizing online tasks compared with their performance before. Table 4.5 shows that the result of the R-value of students' performance in an e-learning setup, where the value of R-value was 0.29, wherein the respondents' performance in prioritizing online tasks compared before is moderately correlated.
While the table 4.6 showed the correlation of the time management in meeting deadlines, pandemic grades of the student have an R-value of 0.15 that leads to a remark of weak correlation. And for the last table, 4.7 showed the correlation of the time management in terms of managing stress. Pandemic grades of the students have an R-value of 0.18 that leads to a remark of weak correlation. There wasn't significant correlation between students, the time management, and managing stress.
To sum it all, you can see the result of this study. First, many of the respondents say that there is no relationship between time management to their performance. Second, performances and activities, the student respond that they can pass their schoolwork on time. And lastly, stress and anxiety, majority of the respondents say that they don't feel stress doing their performance.